Hey guys, hi. About a year ago, I published a manual trading strategy called the Grabber system on my MQL5 profile. To be more precise, it's an indicator that works on an all-in-one principle. How does this system work? When we drag and drop the Grabber indicator, a special price channel with Fibo extensions is created on the price chart, which are calculated using the formula of the world-famous mathematician Fibonacci. So, when the quotes go beyond the channel, the indicator looks for levels calculated by the Fibonacci formula, at which the quotes are most likely to reverse. And when the indicator finds such a level, it gives us a trading signal, which we can use to make a trade. Here you can see this signal, a buy signal. And this means that with a high probability, the quotes will return back. Guys, I traded using the Grabber system for about a month. And even though I missed a lot of good signals because I'm a very busy person, even in that case I made about $800 on my real trading account. This system really makes money. Guys, this system works really well and is profitable, but there is one nuance. We miss half of the trading signals from this strategy. Why? Because at the time when these signals appear, we're either sleeping or very busy at work. And if we miss half the signals, we lose 50% of our potential profit. And that's a problem. And every day I get messages from users asking me to make the Grabber system fully automatic so that we don't miss a single trading signal. Guys, if you wanted it so much, then of course I did it. And I present to you a fully automated trading bot called Grabber. Now it trades fully automatically. You won't miss a single trading signal and will earn fully. Machine. Anyway, take it and enjoy. So guys, I opened the MetaTrader 5 strategy tester to show you the test results of the GrabberBot on different currency pairs. In the mode where no more than one trade is open at a time on a single asset, in other words, this is a super safe mode that uses stop-loss orders. The expert advisor delivers. Here are the results. So, I selected the currency pair, Australian dollar versus Canadian dollar, time frame M15, and I start the test. Let's see what the test chart looks like. This is trading with a stop loss. That's why the chart isn't perfectly smooth, but it is growing. Overall, it doesn't matter whether it's smooth or not. The main thing is that your capital is increasing. And in this way, without a large trading drawdown, with excellent growth dynamics, this trading bot operates on the currency pair. In total, in this mode of trading a single deal on one asset, it works on 10 different currency pairs. For example, Australian dollar versus USD. Here we have this kind of profitability chart. Now, Euro versus Australian dollar. Here is the profitability chart for that. Now, Euro versus Canadian dollar. Here is the profitability chart for that. Euro versus franc. Here is the profitability chart for that. Euro versus pound. Here is our profitability chart. Pound versus Australian dollar. Excellent growth. Pound versus Canadian dollar. Here is the growth. New Zealand dollar versus USD. Here is such a beautiful growth chart. USD versus Canadian dollar. Here is such a beautiful growth chart. As you can see, the indicator is at the core of this system. And based on the Grabber trading system, for manual trading, I created a trading bot that works fully automatically and trades different assets as follows. I'm showing you the profitability charts. I've built two strategies into this bot at once. And just now, I showed you how it works with no more than one trade at a time. But if we enable the second strategy, we get so. Now, I'll show you how it works in another mode. Let's load the set file. we take the Australian dollar against the Canadian dollar in trading mode with 3 trades. This will be microgrids. And we start it. And here you see already something like this. There is a trading drawdown, but the chart of the test is also steadily rising upwards. This is many more trades and much more profitability. Profitability increases threefold because we are trading with about 3 trades and we get this result. Here is the test chart. So with the same currency pair I showed earlier, Australian dollar against Canadian dollar, but now trading with 3 trades. And this is the growth chart, but now I'll show you the test results for other currency pairs. Euro against the Australian dollar, like this. Euro against the Canadian dollar. This is how the test chart looks. Euro against the franc, like this. As you can see, the test results show a larger drawdown because trading is now done with 3 trades, so the drawdown is higher. Probably 3 times higher, but the profitability is also 3 times higher. If I show that trading is limited to no more than 1 trade per currency pair, this is how it goes. But with 3 trades at once, the profit chart is more erratic, but we earn 3 times more. Essentially, I have incorporated 2 strategies into this trading bot. If you get the GrabberBot, it's like getting 2 different expert advisors at once. You can install them on different trading accounts. On one account, you trade with 1 position, on another account with 3 positions. And you get these kinds of trading results. There are currency pairs where it works with minimal drawdown. But on average, it looks like this. A growth chart. A stop loss is used everywhere, both in the first trading option with 1 position and in the second option with 3 positions. Let's also take the pound against the Canadian dollar, a beautiful growth chart, the New Zealand dollar against the Canadian dollar, a steady one, and USD against the Canadian dollar. Here's a growth chart like this. In single trade mode, Grabber operates on 10 assets. In the 3 trade mode, Grabber works on 3 assets. Listen guys, I have already gone ahead and published all of this in my signals group, right now. My signals. These 2 monitorings. Grabber single trade and Grabber 3 trades. I published them literally a day ago. The single trade mode has already started working. So far it's at 0% overall. But it has already... We have successfully closed out a recent trade resulting in a solid profit margin. And while operating in the specialized 3 trade execution mode, the system has already opened several new trades across various currency pairs. And right now there is a current floating drawdown of approximately 2%. Right now it's gaining momentum, and very soon you'll be able to track these 2 monitorings in my signals. Grabber, very soon these 2 monitorings will start to grow. As for the specifics of profitability growth, the profitability chart will look something like this. As I showed you, they are not perfectly smooth. Some are smoother, some are a bit bumpier like this. And on average, it will look something like one-man army, about this kind of growth chart. And the profitability is similar to what one-man army delivers. Here you see 17, 19, 13% profit per month, and over 6 months it easily earned 99% profit with just an 11% trading drawdown. Grabber will work in roughly the same way. Here, the trading mode for Grabber involves 3 trades at a time. The trading mode is the same. The trading strategy is a bit different, but as the developer, I just know roughly how it will work. Something like this. Here is the growth trend with minor drawdowns, but we should expect active upward growth from the Grabber system in the future. It operates fully automatically. You can relax, sleep, work, or do what you love. Instead of using an indicator, install the fully automated Grabber trading bot on your trading account and achieve excellent trading results. See you soon. This is not goodbye.